I'm Mike Golden, Product Manager. Today we're going to be unboxing the PR511. Yours is going to have straps on it. This one does not. First thing you're going to want to do is cut those straps. 2 people isn't necessary, but it definitely helps. Remove the bag from the back of the seat. Now that you have your chair unboxed, we'll just grab these 2 cardboard boxes that are taped to your frame, pull them out and set them aside for later. So now the back is ready to go on the seat. First, you're going to want to remove the piece of foam, and then these 2 brackets here go inside right there. So you line up. Once they're lined up, you should hear that click, and then you're ready to go. Roll your chair onto its front. Maybe get a protective blanket in front so you don't damage your chair at all. And now we have access to the entire back. So now we're ready to set up the connections. Make sure that all connections are done behind this bar here, not in front. So here is the back of a small PR511. You'll notice there is no way to put cables behind the bar. That's fine. Everything just goes right in front. It's a little bit different. First connection here is this red here, red down there. Second connection is the black one with it. Next connection you're going to want to do comes from the box up here. Again, make sure you run that underneath this bar. Find the white dot on it. The other connection will be at the bottom left of the chair. Find the corresponding dot, line those up, and then twist into place. Okay, next step is the air tubes, black, white, and yellow. Start with the white. Remember, make sure you go under the bar. If these connections are hard to do, we recommend applying some type of lubricant to snap them right together. Now we'll do the black. Last, yellow. So the last 2 connections you're going to want to make are these 2 black cables here. You'll find the connecting ones coming from the seat underneath. Remember to make sure you go underneath the black bar, and it does not matter which connection is made into which. So now we have the 2 power cables, which are zip tied to the frame of the chair. We recommend not cutting it in case you cut into a wire. So this tab here, I'm going to want to push in and then push down onto the zip tie, and it will come out the other end. Keep it underneath this wooden frame also. Do not put these over top. Again here, push down on that tab and then push the zip tie out the other end. Now that the connections are all made in the back, you can roll the chair back over, but make sure that you don't crush any cables. I'd grab these, inspect the bottom. Now that the chair is in its right position, you can take the back, line up the Velcro on each side. Grab that smaller cardboard box, take out all the contents. This lithium battery here, about halfway in like that, snaps into position. The cable that came with it gets plugged in right there. Then right here, smaller cable end, right cable of the chair, not left. Plug in. The right and left cables are different. The right cable is to work the chair, and the left cable is for the accessories of the chair. It does matter which transformer gets plugged into each. So now we're going to do the accessory transformer. It's the longer, skinnier box. Your cable might be inside of that box, but if it isn't, then it's most likely in the bag with the user's manual inside one of the chair arms. Just take it out of that bag, nice and simple. Plug that left cable right into it. Take the cable that came with, opposite end, and then plug that into your wall outlet. Once your chair is all plugged in, you are ready to go. You could go ahead and take a seat. On the right side, you will find the remote which controls the chair, as well as a wireless charger and the accessory mount. Left arm, you will find a reading light, which goes into that accessory mount. Nice tray table, which also goes into the mount. There's a cup holder in this arm, as well as a heat massage remote. Thank you for watching.